Good morning. Next unit is organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds are organic compounds containing a direct bond between carbon and a metal. So compounds containing a direct bond between carbon and a metal, that type of compounds are known as organometallic compounds. Examples, the very familiar example for organic metallic compound is our Grignard reagent. Examples of organometallic. So keep it in mind, direct bond between carbon and metal. This type of compounds are known as organometallic compounds. Example, Grignard reagent CH3, CH2, Mg. Here this is a Grignard reagent, ethyl magnesium bromide. Then methyl lithium, there is a direct bond between carbon and lithium. Then you can see that C6H5 Hg C6H5 diphenyl mercury. Then C2H5 thrice Al triethyl aluminium. Or next is CH3 thrice, or CH3 Zn CH3 dimethyl zinc, etc. These are some examples for organometallic compounds. Also keep it in mind, in organometallic compounds there is a direct bond between carbon and metal. Okay, first we discuss in detail about Grignard reagent. First we study Grignard reagent. So this is organometallic compound. Grignard reagent is organometallic compound. General formula of Grignard reagent is RMgX. And in this compound you can see that the carbon magnesium bond, this carbon magnesium bond is highly polar in nature. Carbon magnesium bond is a covalent bond, and that covalent bond is highly polar in nature. Therefore the alkyl part, this part is highly electronegative, and magnesium is getting a partial positive charge, because this RX bond or RMg bond, this CMg bond is highly polar in nature. This alkyl group is having a slight negative charge, and magnesium is having a slight positive charge. And this bond, MgX bond, this is ionic bond. That means Mg plus and X minus. Okay, so this is the structure of Grignard reagent. Okay, so Grignard reagent RMgX. Alkyl group is slightly negative, Mg, this part is slightly positive. This bond is a polar covalent bond, and MgX, this bond, the bond between magnesium and halogen, this is ionic in nature. Now, preparation of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is prepared by the reaction of alkyl halide RX, alkyl halide with magnesium in presence of dry ether, or you can use THF, tetrahydrofuran. What will get? We get RMgX. This is a method of preparation of Grignard reagent. Reaction of alkyl halide with magnesium in presence of dry ether, or THF, tetrahydrofuran. We get RMgX. Now, uses of Grignard reagent. Used for the preparation of alcohol. This is used for the preparation of alcohols, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, amines, etc. So this Grignard reagent is a very useful reagent for the preparation of various type of organic compounds like alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, amines, etc. Next is reactions. Reactions of Grignard reagent. As we know that in Grignard reagent, the alkyl part is RMgX, alkyl part is slightly negatively charged, and hence this alkyl part can act as nucleophile. It can act as a nucleophile. Therefore, Grignard reagent can undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction and nucleophilic addition reaction. So keep it in mind, alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl group is negatively charged, and hence the alkyl group, this group can act as a nucleophile. Therefore, Grignard reagent will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction and nucleophilic addition reaction. First, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction of Grignard reagent. First one, preparation of alkane. Preparation of alkane. Alkanes. That means reaction with active hydrogen compound. Active hydrogen compounds. What do you mean by active hydrogen compounds? Compounds in which hydrogen is attached to more electronegative atom like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. So example for active hydrogen compound is water. In water, hydrogen is attached to more electronegative oxygen atom. Another example is reaction with ammonia. In ammonia, hydrogen is attached to nitrogen. So reaction with such type compounds, that means active hydrogen compound, we get alkane. So look at here, CH3, MgBr, alkyl methyl magnesium bromide. This is Grignard reagent. Reactive with water, what you will get? HOH. Okay, or reactive with water, what you will get? Look at it here, CH3 and H from here. What you will get? You get CH4 methane. This is our alkane. Alkane plus MgOH Br. MgOH Br. Another example. This is reaction with water. A reaction with water. Okay, reaction with water. This another. Then B, reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. NH3. Look at here. C2H5MgBr. C2H5MgBr. React with ammonia. Ammonia can be written as HNH2. So what you will get? C2H5H. So what you will get? C2H6. That means C2H6 ethane plus NH2Br. This byproduct is not important. You concentrate this one. We get ethane, alkane. And C, reaction with primary amine. Reaction with primary amine. Example: C2H5MgBr plus CH3NH2. NH2 can NHH. Okay, so you can see that what will happen? C2H5H. Okay, C2H5H. What you will get? C2H6. The rest is Mg CH3NH Br. Okay, that is a byproduct. So this is the first reaction, preparation of alkane. When alkyl magnesium bromide, alkyl magnesium halide, that means Grignard reagent react with water, ammonia, etc. That means active hydrogen compound will give alkane. Next is second one, preparation of alkene. That means reaction with alkynyl halide. Okay, reaction with the alkynyl halide. So look at here. When Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr, Grignard reagent react with the alkynyl halide. What do you mean by alkynyl halide? Suppose I am taking a alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is alkene. Okay, propene. I am taking propene. So in propene, you can see that CH3, one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen. Example Cl. Actually, CH3 CH double bond CH2, that is propene. One hydrogen atom from this carbon, this sp3 carbon, one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen. Then this is example for alkynyl halide. Then what will happen? You can see that Mg, okay, this part it will eliminate, and what we get, the rest CH3, and here it is CH2, CH double bond CH2. You get this alkene plus what is the byproduct? MgCl, MgClBr. Okay. So reaction with alkynyl halide, we get this is our alkene. Okay. Next one, third one, preparation of alkynes. That means reaction with alkynyl halide. Okay, reaction with alkynyl halide. Here it is alkenyl halide. Here it is alkynyl halide. KY. Here it is KE. So look at it here. C2H5 MgBr react with suppose you take alkyne CH3 C triple bond CH. This is our example for alkyne. This is alkyne. Then what is this alkynyl halide? So just we are discussed in the previous case. One of the hydrogen atom from this carbon, from this sp3 hybridized carbon, one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen. Example chlorine. This is example for alkynyl halide. Again the same thing. What will happen? We get C2H5. Then what is that? CH2 C triple bond CH. This is our alkyne plus MgClBr. So we get alkyne. Okay. Next is fourth reaction. Preparation of higher alkanes. Fourth one, preparation of higher alkanes. That means reaction with alkyl halide. Higher alkane. That means CH3 MgBr plus CH3 alkyl halide CH3Cl. Okay, CH3Cl. Then what we get? We get you can see that CH3 plus MgClBr. This is higher alkane. Here you can see that here it is methyl magnesium bromide, and you get ethane. So this is the preparation of higher alkanes. That means reaction of Grignard reagent with alkyl halide CH3, example CH3Cl, we get a higher alkane. Next is preparation of higher ether. Preparation of higher ether. Then how will you get higher ether? That means reaction with mono-halo ether. We get a higher ether. Look at here, CH3 MgBr, our Grignard reagent, react with the monohalo ether. Example for ether, look at here, our ether is CH3 OCH3. This is example for ether, dimethyl ether. So with the monohalo ether, that means CH3, here you take one hydrogen, that means CH2, one hydrogen is replaced by a halogen, Cl. This is example for monohalo ether. So what will happen? You are getting, as we discussed earlier, same case. Okay, so what we get? We get CH3, then CH2, O, CH3. This is a higher ether. We started with our ether was CH3, O, CH3. But here you are getting CH3, CH2, O, CH3. You are getting a higher ether. Plus what is that? MgClBr. Clear? Next is sixth reaction. Preparation of alkyl cyanides. Preparation of sixth reaction. Preparation of alkyl cyanides. Okay, cyanides. That means reaction with cyanogen chloride. Cyanogen chloride. Reaction with the cyanogen chloride. So look at here. Alkyl magnesium halide RMgX react with the cyanogen chloride means ClCN. This is cyanogen chloride. What do you get? We get RCN, alkyl cyanide, plus MgClBr. Clear? Next is preparation of primary amine. That means reaction with chloramine. Reaction with chloramine. Okay. So look at here. We get a primary amine. Preparation of primary amine. RMgX, our Grignard reagent, react with chloramine. Ammonia is NH3. Chloramine means one hydrogen atom. That means NH2. One hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine. So Cl, NH2. Chloramine. Reaction with the chloramine. So what do you get? You get RNH2. This is primary amine. RNH2 plus MgClBr. Okay, that is preparation of primary amine. Next, eighth reaction. Preparation of other organometallic compounds. Preparation of other organometallic compounds. Metallic compounds. Okay, preparation of other organometallic compounds. That means reaction with inorganic halides. Reaction with inorganic halide. So look at here. When a Grignard reagent C2H5 MgBr Grignard reagent react with lead chloride PbCl2. Lead chloride. This is inorganic halide. Or what do you mean by organic halide? CH3Cl. That is organic halide. But PbCl2. This is inorganic halide. So what you will get? You can see that C2. You will get C2H5 4 times Pb. That means tetraethyl lead. What is this one? Tetraethyl lead. Okay, this is another type of another organometallic compound, tetraethyl lead. Then another example, CH3 MgBr plus silicon tetrachloride, SiCl4, silicon tetrachloride we get CH3 4 times Si. What is this one? Tetra methyl silane. Tetramethyl silane. Another example is C2H5 MgBr react with mercury chloride HgCl2. But we get C2H5 twice Hg diethyl mercury. Okay, this is the eighth reaction, preparation of other organometallic compounds using inorganic halide. Next is the preparation of alkyl iodide. Okay, preparation of alkyl iodide. That means reaction of alkyl magnesium chloride or bromide with iodine. This is the simplest way to convert or to make alkyl iodide. It's a very simple method for making alkyl iodide. So what is that? Reaction of alkyl magnesium chloride. Example CH3 MgCl. Okay, alkyl magnesium methyl magnesium chloride react with iodine. What do you get? You get CH3I methyl iodide plus MgICl. Okay. Similarly, C2H5 MgBr react with iodine. What you will get? C2H5I. You get ethyl iodide plus MgIBr. Okay. So these are the nucleophilic substitution reactions given by Grignard reagent. Next is nucleophilic addition reaction given by Grignard reagent.